To watch the full lecture of all subjects, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon because whenever I post the new videos, you will get the immediate notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. From this particular video, we'll be solving the problems on borrowing cost type 4. In this type 4, what happens? They would have given multiple loans are borrowed, but only part of the amount is used for ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದೆನ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಸೆಟ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಲೋನನ್ನು ನೀವು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರ, ಆದರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಲೋನನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಭಾಗ ನೀವು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರೋ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಲೋನ್ ಭಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಅಸೆಟ್ನ ಕಟ್ಟೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಸಿರ್ತೀರ. Now the question is on the screen. The company has borrowed some loans. 7 crore at 5% interest, 5 crore at 10% interest, 10 crores at 15% interest. So, but see, if you add total, if you do the total of all this 10 plus 5 plus, what is that, 10 plus 5 plus 7, it will be 24 crores, okay? But not complete 22 crores the company has used to build a qualifying asset. Only 15 crores it has utilized to construct a qualifying asset. ಒಟ್ಟು 22 ಕೋಟಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಾಲವನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ 22 ಕೋಟಿ ಸಾಲವನ್ನು ಅವರು ಬಳಸಿಲ್ಲ ಅಸೆಟ್ನ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ನ ಕಟ್ಟೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಕೇವಲ 15 ಕ್ರೋರನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅವರು ಬಳಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಆದಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಾರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. There are certain steps we need to follow. Step 1 will be calculation of capitalization rate. So we need to find out the capitalization rate. So take 3 tables for that. First one is rate of interest. First column rate of interest, then principal amount, rate of interest, principal amount. Next, the third column will be product, which means 1 into 2. It will be 3. So rate of interest is how much? 5. So just write 5. How much is the amount? 7 crore. So just write 7. So 5 sevens are 35. Product will be 35. Next will be the rate of interest is 10. The principal amount is 5. If you multiply, it will be 50 rupees. Next, the rate of interest is 15%. The principal amount is 10 crores. 15 into 10 will be 150. Now do the totaling. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 10 will be 22. 35 plus 50 will be 85. 85 plus 150 will be 235. Okay. Now, capitalization rate. Capitalization rate will be total product divided by total principal. So total product is 235, total principal is 22. 235 divided by 22 will be 10.68%. This is capitalization rate. Now the step 2 will be to find out borrowing cost. So calculation of borrowing cost. Okay, the formula is construction cost into capitalization rate. ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಬಳಸಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ರೇಟಿಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಟು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಅ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 15 crores. So 15 crores into rate is 10.68%. So 15 crores into 10.68% will be 1 crore 60 lakh 20,000. 1 crore 60 lakh 20,000 will be the borrowing cost. So only two simple steps we need to follow when multiple loans have been given. So this is how we will solve the problem. Hope you have understood how to solve the problem in the type 4. In the next video, we'll see one more problem based on the same type. If you have any doubt in this particular video, please put all your doubts and queries in the comment box so that I'll respond to your doubts and queries as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video. If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.